My name is Seiji Hirasaki, the CEO and co-founder of OriCiro Genomics. The current DNA genomics technology, which is called e.coli cloning, uses living e.coli cells to assemble DNA fragments or making copies of DNA, but it's a cumbersome and time-consuming method. At OriCiro, we are developing innovative DNA technologies for genomics research. Using our technology, you don't have to use any living cells, any E. coli cells. That is called cell-free approach. You can shorten the time required less than 1/10 compared to existing E. coli cloning approach. You can also widen your scope of research and development because there are many genes and sequences that you cannot handle because some genes are toxic to E. coli cells. The application is very, very broad. Our technology can be used in a variety of different industries, including pharmaceutical, diagnosis, agri-tech, and industrial biotech. For example, pharmaceutical companies can develop better medicines within a shorter time. We are now providing samples of the product.